If you're wondering, are there really other police departments out there that get a brand new vehicle every year? But what about the upfitting costs? Let's break it down to what it looks like for the hypothetical county sheriff's department. Every year they get a brand new Chevy Silverado or Ford F-150 for $6,000 and no down payment. They get 32,000 miles per year to fulfill their needs of their large area. When it comes to the cost of upfitting, they bought their equipment once and it should last around 10 years, which means the only other cost is transferring that equipment over. Our sister company is a national upfitter who has built special equipment designed to be transferred with relative ease. All in, they're looking at less than $10,000 a year. A side-by-side comparison over 5 years shows that they'll save $32,980. Their department keeps more cash on hand for other needs, all while having reliable, top quality vehicles. It's a win-win for their department and the taxpayers in their town.